class. Welcome back to your VPS e-learning class. Children, as you all know that I am your English teacher Aditi Day. You all know that yesterday I have completed your exercise B and C, which is given in the page number 12 and 13. Today I am going to start with your next exercise, which is D and E. It is given in the page number 14. So you have to complete it into the book only with the help of pencil beta. It is of lesson 2 of workbook, The Clever Little Tailor. So in the exercise D, it is given to underline the subject and circle the predicates. So you have to mention in the book only with the help of pencil. And in the next exercise E, it is given match the subject with the predicate. So this both of the exercises you have to complete today with the help of pencil in your workbook in the page number 14 of lesson 2, The Clever Little Tailor. Let's begin with the video, children. Class, as you all know that yesterday I have completed your exercise C and B. Today I am going to start with your D and E. Okay. So it is given in the page number 14, children. So you have to circle the subjects and underline the predicates in the given sentences. Okay. Mention today's date, that is 7/7/21. Okay. Nikhil and his friends went on a trek. It is a sentence given. In this subject you have to circle. So Nikhil and his friends is the subject in this, and went on a trek is predicate, so we underline it. Okay, because I have told you now that subject is a person, place or thing in the sentence. So next, second, Mehak was taking a walk along the beach. In this, Mehak is a person, name of a person, so it is a subject in this, and was taking a walk along the beach is a predicate, children. Okay, come to the next, third, we should be careful about our belongings. In this, we is the subject because it is denoting more than two, so we is also as a subject, and should be careful about our belongings is the predicate, so we underline it. Rajni came home for a cup of tea. So in this, Rajni is the subject because it is the name of a girl, and came home for a cup of coffee is the predicate beta. Okay, so we underline it. Next, fifth, India is a country with a lot of diversity. So in this, India is the name of a country, so it is subject, and is a country with a lot of diversity is predicate, so we underline it. Next, Sonam and her brother is the subject in this sentence. Sixth one, Sonam and her brother is the subject, and save money for this gift is predicate. So Sonam and her brother is subject, and rest of the part is predicate, so we underline it. Next, match the given subjects with appropriate predicates to form meaningful sentences. This is exercise E. In this, subject is given in the left part and predicate is given in the right part. So you have to match it. So a policeman, you always know that it chased about the thief. So this is the first one. So you mention 1 here. Okay. My pet Bruno loves to play with his toys. So you mention 2 here. Okay. My pet Bruno is about a doggy. So loves to play with his toys. Next is Sahir. Sahir dislikes coffee. So this is the third one. The play was a success. This is the fourth one. Okay. Fifth, Lalit and his friends were enjoying the party. So this is the fifth one, mention 5 here. And the sun shone brightly, it is the sixth one. Okay, so you have to match. The left side subject is given, at the right side predicates are given. So according to the subject, a policeman always chased the thieves, that's why it is first one. My pet Bruno loves to play with his toys, so this is the second one. Sahir dislikes coffee, so this is the third one. The play was a success, this is the fourth one, so we mentioned 4 here. Lalit and his friends is the fifth one, so were enjoying the party, so it is the 5. The sun, so you mentioned where, sorry, shone brightly, this is the sixth one. Sun, you all know that sun shine in the sky, so the sun shone brightly is the sixth, so it is mentioned like this. So complete is this work in your workbook of English and show me before 8:30. And today's your homework is to learn these 2 exercises properly and complete this work with the help of pencil only. Okay, thank you.